Well, as you can see, I've just cleared the driveway and I'm looking for something to make a tree with for the model railway. So here are some flowers that I don't recall what they're called, but they are ideal to make a model railway tree. So let's go inside and see what we can do. Welcome to how to make a scale model tree. Now here is the dried out flower that I removed from the garden, as you saw at the beginning of the video. And you know, you just have to clean up the sort of dead leaves that are on it so that it begins to look more like a tree. Now this has been out in the garden since last summer, and I just went and picked it the other day, and now we're going to start the process of turning it into a tree like this. Now my grandson said, "Oh, Grandpa, that's like a tree from the African savannah." And he was so right, because it does look like that. Now, you can make the tree from anything you want, any plant that looks as if it would resemble a tree once you get some flock on it. And this is how we're going to do it, so let's get started. Now, in this particular case, I'm using a 3M77 classic spray adhesive, but you can use anything, hairspray or any adhesive that you come across. So first thing we do is we'll turn it over and just give everything a good coating. And you might want to wear a mask for this, or have a ventilated room. Also, you notice that I have a piece of brown paper, old drawing paper, as a to protect the desk and everything else. So let's just start dropping this flock on. And don't worry about the spillage, because we'll clean it up. And it's always good to get the underside of the canopy done first. And then what we'll do is we'll just give it a little spray. Gather some of that up and drop it on, because it'll look kind of clumpy. And as you can see, it's beginning to take shape. Maybe just try and pick up some of that, and we'll give it another little blast. Just layer this on. And these clumpy bits here, you can attach that to the underside, because there'll be smaller branches with leaves on it underneath, and you want to try and cover up all the brown spots. Still a few little brown spots here, but that's okay. Nature's not always perfect. So that pretty much looks like a tree. Now, to finish it off, I use some black, brown, grey acrylic paint and just dry brushed it on here and there to get an effect of a tree bark weathered. And you can do the same just to finish it off, and it looks quite effective. So I use an old tinfoil cake plate, whatever it's called, and some cheap acrylics, lamp black and basic white. So I just put a little bit of each out. And then just apply it so that it's got a more natural look, but as it is picked directly from the garden would be a suitable colour too. And what I would do, just to try and finish this off, I'd spray a little bit onto the trunk and lower branches, and then just grab some of this and put it on, because there's always leaves further down. Give it a more sort of natural look. Like some smaller branches in there. And then just to finish that, now we have two great looking trees that you can put onto your railway. So have a look around your garden, see what dead flowers you've got there, and let's see what you come up with. If there's something that works best for you, then post it and let's see it. So I hope you enjoyed how to make a tree from a dead garden flower and put it into your model railway layout. Please subscribe, give me the big thumbs up, ring that bell, and that'll encourage me to do more videos like this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much. Bye for now.